Santa. No, Santa's got a job to do. Whoa! Santa's alright, kids. Santa just hurt himself a little bit. And guess what, kids? I'm Unboxing Man, then. Unboxing Man is about to unbox the Skylanders Gill Grunt Christmas ornament. And you know what? Unboxing Man's gonna show you him hanging it on the Christmas tree. But first, let's unbox it. After all, that is my name, right? So, found this in Walmart today. Firelight got me to unbox this. And then, poof, there we go. And, you can see, he's got some snow right there. Scarf. Sigma-dooies right there. Little barrel things. And Unboxing Man never litters. Unboxing Man always throws out his trash. I gotta go, guys. Well, I'll be back, but I gotta clean up my trash. So there's a look at Gill Grunt. Peekaboo! So here we go. And we're about to hang him on the Christmas tree. Okay. So, let's go. This is actually the first ornament on the Christmas tree. Now, if we kind of like zoom it in a little bit, you can see old Gill Grunt right there. Gill Grunt, old jolly old Gill Grunt. Gill Grunt's so happy. Gill Grunt is just such a cool, awesome dude. Unboxing Man likes to scream around here. And Unboxing Man's about to go right now. Bye.